Hey guys, it's Carly, and welcome to the last episode of 88 Characters! Woohoo! Congratulations! Now in this episode, we're going to be looking at countries and languages. Now, it's going to seem like an easier episode because, well, the way we name these countries and languages, the format is kind of the same. So you would only need 1 to 2 characters to really recognize a lot of different countries and languages. Alright, ready? Here we go! So first of all, let's look at the character for country, which is 国. 国. Now this outside radical, well, you can think of it as the borders of a country. And then the character inside is the character for jade. Now, for example, if we wanted to say China, it would be 中国. 中国. And hopefully by now, you'd be able to recognize what this character means. 中. It's our character for middle or medium. And so altogether, 中国 means China. And next, the Chinese name for United States of America is 美国. 美国. And now, while the last character, 国, is the same, which means country, this first character, 美, means beautiful. And you can sort of see the character as a beautiful Christmas tree with the 2 dots at the top as the stars. So altogether, 美国 means the United States of America. And next, for France, in Chinese it is 法国. 法国. Now, hopefully you're starting to see a pattern because our second character is the character for country. And now the first character, 法, means the law. The left radical is a water radical, while the right component, well, I see it as the scale of justice. Maybe that's how you can remember it too. And so altogether, 法国 means France. So next, let's look at England. And in Chinese, it's 英国. 英国. Now this first character, 英, also has the meaning to be talented. And the top radical is the plant radical, while the bottom part, you could see it as sort of a shelf for plants. And so altogether, 英国 means England. So you may have noticed this already, but a lot of our country names are translated phonetically, which means that when we're translating, we want to make sure that it sounds like their original country name. For example, 美国 with America, or 英国 with England, and 法国 with France. So we also have a very consistent format for saying nationalities. We simply add the character person, 人, after the country name. So we would just say whichever country, person. For example, if we wanted to say Chinese, we would say China, person. So 中国人. 中国人. Or if we wanted to say American, it would be America plus person. So 美国人. 美国人. Easy, right? And so now, let's look at how to say languages. And so the format is very similar to what we've already been doing. We simply take the first character of our country and plus the character for languages. And so this character for languages is 1. Now you can really see this character as a person with very broad shoulders and then the legs crossed. So for example, if we wanted to say French, we would add the first character for 法国 with our character 文. So French would be 法文. 法文. Or if we wanted to say English, we would take the first character from our country name England and add it to our character for language. So 英文. 英文. And that's it for this video. In this episode, we looked at how to name countries, nationalities, and languages. So leave a comment down below letting me know where you're from. I would love to know. And congratulations on finishing this entire series. You now know 88 characters. Good job! If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and share. Alright, I hope to see you soon. Bye! Remember to hit that like and subscribe button. Also, check out the link below for more fun info about this topic. See ya!